Hello, good evening. Today I'm making peanut cookies. So this is the dough that I've done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into little balls. So I'll pinch some of this into equal sizes blobs, and I'm going to make it into round balls. Yeah, it's a bit big, so I need it to be a bit smaller, something like this. Oops, it's very crumbly. See, it's very crumbly. Never mind. Whatever. Okay, right, here we are. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange them nicely here. Yep. 1, 2, big, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And I'm going to arrange it in a row. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop now and I'll do it and I'll show you later. So here I am. I've done all this. So I put it in neat rows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make markings, depression. I'm using a cutter. So I'm just giving it a light press to make a star sign. So it's a bit flattened, as well as making it a bit more stable, I suppose. And there's a little groove there, so the egg wash can sort of stays there and gives it a nicer color than if it's plain. So I'm going to do I'm giving it a bit of egg wash. It's a vegan egg wash that I made myself. So I think if I put it here, then you can see it. Alright, here you go. Okay, that's 2 rows done, and I'll complete it. So these are the baked ones, so it's all nicely done. See? So this one will be packed and will be available in my store, and you can even get it, well, I suppose I'm planning for it. You will be able to get this online in the near future, which is quite soon, in a few weeks time. So do log into www.Nyonyarecipe.com, and you can actually look at some of the recipes there. The recipe is there. It's very time consuming, so if you don't feel like making it, you can always order from me. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you for your time. Smells so good.